to know. Lay down your head, you're not alone. Anywhere you go, I'll follow. We are the children of the sun. That's all you need to know.
Walking like Michael, skywalking over my rivals. Both hands in that Bible, I'm next in line for that title. I had nothing to do, I was idle. I was in the studio with Tygo. No, but climbing high, we ain't on the Kilimanjaro. And then trying to kill, they don't really know what's happening. Now we got our clothes on the mannequin. We don't want no comparison, not overdose and extravagance. We went for gold and got platinum. I told my road to get an ambulance, cause I thought gold and red's built on them. Yeah. How can home be where the heart is when your shadow is when you are in dark, you still get stopped by Sergeant Pepper. Looking for that Ziggy Stardust after a lifetime of regret. I'm just looking for some answers, yeah.
Anywhere you go, we are the children of the sun. That's all you need to know.
Words of my kingdom. It's Stabbilano, we raised the bar with your team, we start in limbo. Like Freddie, Bruno, and Ringo. I saw the signs and symbols. With that top down on my yellow ride, that bitch hate on my bimbo. I'm yards away from that milestone. International downtown. Put me through a mile with your Instagram with your iPhone. From yellow bricks and then brownstones. I ring bells, I'm household. Look at all the rappers, we out so keep your mouth closed and yeah. How did I become so jaded? Maybe all these insecurities are making me feel naked. Feel like I didn't Vegas, had my privacy invaded. That's a liberty, opinion, the epitome of opinions. Priests up in my parish keep on putting me in their prayers. Swear I never sell my soul, my pride and dignity is too major, yeah. We rarely ever get no second chances after a lifetime of regret. I'm just looking for some answers, yeah. Yeah.
That's all you need to know. Anywhere you go, I'll follow. We are the children of the sun. That's all you need to know.
Looking for a light that can outshine the sun. I know one day our time will come. Bought a camera to capture these cinematic nights. Still don't satisfy my appetite for this lavish life. Tell me, doctor, am I fit for these flashing lights? And Michael said it doesn't matter if you're black or white. Look at the colors that's under the sun above us. All we have is each other in case you happen to wonder. Let's go!